Far beyond the embrace of our sun, in the chilling silence of the interstellar void, a small machine drifts alone. It is a fragile construct of metal and wire, built by hands that have likely long since aged or passed away. It is humanity's farthest emissary. It carries no weapons, only eyes to see and a voice to speak. This is the story of the Voyager probe's our first true steps into the infinite ocean of the cosmos. In the late 1970s, the solar system offered us a gift. A rare planetary alignment, one that occurs only once every 175 years, opened the gateway. It was a chance to visit the 4 giant worlds in a single tour. We built 2 twin explorers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their mission was supposed to last only 5 years. No one dared to dream that half a century later, it would still be talking to us. Their first encounter was with the King Jupiter. For the first time, we saw its turbulent atmosphere not as a blur, but as a violent, churning masterpiece of art. The Voyagers revealed that the solar system was alive. They showed us Io, a moon tearing itself apart with volcanoes, and Europa, a frozen world hiding a secret ocean beneath its ice. The probes used Jupiter's massive gravity to fling themselves faster and deeper into the dark. Then came Saturn, the jewel of our system. But here, a choice had to be made. Mission Control decided to sacrifice Voyager 1's grand tour to send it towards Titan, a moon with a dense atmosphere. It was a detour that would fling Voyager 1 upwards, out of the planetary plane, forcing it to begin its solitary exit from our neighborhood. Voyager 2, however, stayed the course, destined to travel alone towards the unknown ice giants. Voyager 2 became the only human object to ever visit Uranus and Neptune. It revealed worlds of serene, terrifying blue. At Neptune, it measured winds screaming at supersonic speeds, the fastest ever recorded in the solar system. It saw Triton, a captured moon spewing nitrogen geysers into the vacuum. After this encounter, its primary mission was complete. The planets were behind them now. Ahead lay only the abyss. On Valentine's Day, 1990, at the request of Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 turned its camera around for one last look. From nearly 4 billion miles away, it took a picture of Earth, a pale blue dot. In that single pixel, we found everyone we have ever loved, every war ever fought, and every hope ever conceived. It was a humbling reminder of our tiny place in the cosmic arena, suspended in a sunbeam. Should these wanderers ever be found by another intelligence, they carry a gift. The Golden Record. A phonograph record made of gold-plated copper, containing the sounds and images of Earth. It holds the laughter of a child, the sound of rain, the brainwaves of a woman in love, and the music of humanity. It is a message in a bottle thrown into the cosmic ocean, saying simply, we were here. We created music. We felt joy. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history again. It detected a sudden change in the plasma around it. The solar wind stopped. The cosmic radiation increased. It had crossed the heliopause. It had left the magnetic bubble of our sun. For the first time, a human-made object was sailing on the winds of other stars. It was no longer in the solar system. It was truly in deep space. But time is undefeated. The nuclear hearts of the Voyagers, their plutonium generators, are decaying. Year by year, NASA engineers must make impossible choices, turning off heaters and scientific instruments to save power. Soon, perhaps around 2030, the final signal will be sent. The transmitters will fall silent. The link to Earth will be broken forever. Even when they are dead, they will not stop. Long after our civilization has evolved or vanished, long after our sun has swollen to consume the Earth, the Voyagers will still be drifting among the stars. They are our silent monuments. In the endless night of the Milky Way, they will carry the memory of a small blue world that once looked up at the sky and dared to wonder. They are us, journeying forever. They are us, journeying forever.